Hello everyone. So all of Martu spiders know that those headlights they are always come like hazy and yellowish. So I sanded this with 1000, 2000, 3000 sanding paper. I polished it but with a normal car polish. So it's still not clear enough. So I will try this Tonyin hit polish. It's $5. So let's open it. So I will try it using this wall pad and the drill. So let's see if it will change if it will finally clean the lens, or let's say the cover, or no. So I'm going to speed test. Well, I see little difference here in the place we already polished. So let's polish it all and let's see the result. So, what do you think? It's it's became cleaner for sure, but it's still yellowish. So it's still not clear like new lenses. Okay, let's do one more time. So I don't think it would be any better than this.